Okay, 2500.
Alrighty, we'll start out doing slow flight dirty.
Okay, so we need to do our ABC checklist. So fuels to bolt, in, mixture is rich in this case. We will turn on our landing lights and strobe lights for this maneuver. And we need to do a clearing turn. I'll go ahead and do 2 90s, one to the left and one to the right.
Suppression Airscraft 451 Romeo, approximately 2 miles southeast, correction, southwest of Massey at 3,300, lazy.
And back to the right.
Little practice area, West Greece Ground Connection 231, 7 miles southeast of Christmas, 2,500 heading northwestbound. Where is Christmas, by the way?
Okay, so for the practice area call, I just say white
3 to the east of Bislow, 2,400 southbound Bislow.
White Skyhawk,
2,500
feet east of Massey. Okay. Massey traffic, white Skyhawk, red, white, blue Skyhawk, east of Massey, about 2,500 feet, doing slow flight.
Hey, Foster, practice area, Sirius connection 470, 2,200 feet, descending down to 1,500 feet. We're about 2 miles to the northwest of Lake Apopka. We're headed eastbound back to Sanford. This is going to be our last call, Apopka.
Alright, so slow flight, we're going to pull power to 1,500.
Very good.
2,500 southbound Bislow.
Low 110, flaps 10. Low 85, flaps 20. Below 7, we can go flaps full.
Okay, what should we bring the power back to?
23?
About 19.
Okay, 19.
19 and 2,000. As soon as you get the airplane slowed up, it should be about 19 to 2,000. That'll stop us from descending any.
Okay.
348, about 3.5 miles.
A little bit more power, there you go.
West of South Lake, southbound, just east of the...
You'll see that's now stopped our descent.
Okay.
Slow flight, Bislow traffic.
Okay, now, we need to get that altitude back.
Okay.
So let's get and add some power. Matter of fact, go all the way in with power.
All the way in?
Right, don't go too much at the pitch.
Like
Just a little pitch increase. But you're going to see, it's not going to jump up. It's slow, staggering climb to the airplane.
Yep.
You got all this drag out there, so it takes time for it to get up there.
Got it.
Okay, so if you get behind where you lose a lot of altitude, full power is not out of the...
Okay.
2,000.
But as soon as you go ahead and get back to where you want to be, altitude, then back it off to about 1,900 RPMs.
Bislow practice area, Skyhawk connection 206 for about 3 to the west of the 525-28 interchange, 2,500 feet southbound Bislow.
There you go, very nice.
Thank you.
Alright. Alright, let's do a 90-degree turn to the right. Now remember, you have a little bit of loss of lift, hand on the throttle, and a little bit of increase in power, maybe about 100 RPM, maybe 100. Alright, because of the fact that what you have is you now have a decrease in your lift. Okay, to make up for that, you've got to add some power and maybe increase the pitch a little bit, but not much.
CCFTV on the south side of Lake Ashby at 1,000 feet ground reference maneuvers Lake
There you go. As you roll out, you can back off that power a little bit. It can be detrimental to you. Alright, let's go back 90 degrees to the left. Let's look left.
Okay, 90 left.
Okay.
tower traffic connection city 1 right and green Skyhawk. About
And increase a little bit of power. There you go.
Bravo east of this tower heading north at 1,500.
With rudder and Miller. Now, if you want to make the airplane lose altitude, back it off to about 1,700 right now. So they'll just drop ever so slightly. Drop because you want to keep your same speed. There you go. The airplane will go down.
Gotcha.
Stop your descent again. Bring it up to about 1,900. Depending on your density, altitude, and our weight, will depend on how much power we need.
Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead and recover now.
Alright, so we're going to go full throttle.
That's correct. Full throttle stabilizes the airplane.
And flaps 20. Once our airspeed starts to climb, we'll go flaps 10. And once we're over 70, we can go flaps full. And back to cruise.